Hello my friends, today I'm making a soft blueberry streusel loaf cake. It's a simple one-bowl style cake that comes together quickly and fills the kitchen with the most amazing smell while it's baking. Every slice is buttery, cozy, and packed with juicy blueberries, with the crunchy cinnamon streusel topping that adds the perfect contrast of texture, the perfect bake for a warm summer day. Alright, let's bake. Here are the ingredients you will need, or you can find the full recipe linked in the description box below. To make the streusel, add the light brown sugar, flour, cinnamon and salt into a bowl with cold butter. Using your fingertips, rub the butter into the dry ingredients until the mixture becomes crumbly. We are making the streusel first, so it has time to chill, which helps create a crunchier topping once baked. Then place it in the fridge while we prepare the cake batter. Before making the cake batter, let's quickly prepare a few things first. Step 1. Prepare the blueberries. Lightly mix the blueberries with water, then toss them with a little flour. This helps them stay evenly distributed in the batter and prevents them from sinking to the bottom when folded in. Step 2. Line the tin. This is my non-stick 1-pound loaf tin. I like to line it with parchment paper, leaving a little overhang on the sides so I can easily lift the cake out later. Step 3. Preheat the oven. Set the oven to 170 degrees Celsius fan and let it preheat while we prepare the batter. To make the batter, first, zest a lemon. Be mindful that lemon zest can dry out quickly, so it's best to zest it just before using. Then rub the lemon zest into the sugar for about 1 to 2 minutes. This helps release the natural oils and really intensifies that fresh lemony flavor. Cream the butter and lemon-infused sugar until it becomes light, pale, and fluffy. Lemon and blueberries are such a classic combination. The lemon adds tartness and balance, and it really enhances the flavor of the blueberries without overpowering them. Then scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl so everything is well combined before we move on to the rest of the ingredients. Add the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. This helps the eggs incorporate properly into the butter mixture and keeps the batter smooth and well combined. Then add the vanilla extract and sour cream and mix until fully incorporated. For the dry ingredients, sieve in the remaining flour, baking powder and salt. Sifting helps remove any lumps and aerates the mixture, which helps keep the cake light and soft. Then mix until just combined. We will finish the mixing by gently folding in the flour-coated blueberries using a spatula until evenly distributed throughout the batter. You will know it's ready when the batter comes together smoothly and you can no longer see any streaks of flour. Pour the batter into the lined loaf tin, then use a spatula to gently level the top. This just helps the cake bake evenly and gives a nice even top for the streusel. Sprinkle the streusel evenly and generously over the surface. Once it's baked, you get a beautiful golden, crunchy topping that's simply irresistible. When you are happy with it, bake in the preheated oven for about 45 to 15 minutes or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Oh wow, the cake looks absolutely incredible. The top is golden and crisp and the kitchen smells amazing. Let's take a moment to appreciate it. Once it's cool enough to handle, leave the cake out using the parchment overhang and transfer it to a wire rack. Let it cool completely and settle before slicing. This helps the crumbs set properly and prevents the cake from becoming too crumbly. Alright, we have been waiting patiently for an hour. Let's slice the cake. You can already smell the warm blueberries and cinnamon, and the streusel gives the most satisfying crunch as the knife goes through. Just look at that, the streusel is golden and beautifully crisp, and the crumb is incredibly soft and fluffy with juicy blueberries in every bite. The lemon adds a fresh brightness that balances everything perfectly. It's perfect for a warm summer afternoon with a cup of tea or coffee. I'm so excited for you to try this blueberry streusel loaf cake. You can find the full recipe linked in the description box below, along with all my tips for getting that soft, fluffy crumb and perfectly crunchy streusel topping. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I would love to hear from you and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed this video or know someone who would love a cozy homemade bake like this, don't forget to like and share, and subscribe to my channel so we can keep baking together and you will be the first to see all my new recipes. Love this blueberry loaf? You might enjoy my other cake recipes too. Click on the screen to watch and I will see you there. Bye for now.